friends, today we're going to learn how to make this Jogless invisible color change on your amigurumi. This one you can tell color changing for making the stripes. You can see where you change a color. And I'm going to show you how I made that perfect stripes on my amigurumi. I promise it's very easy. Let's start from a magic ring and make 6 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of insert your hook into the next one to make a single crochet, you are going to insert the hook from the back of the piece, like this. And then pick up the loop you just left off and pull through the loop and make it tight like this. And now we are going to insert to the same stitch, which is the first stitch of the round 2. We're going to make an increase. This is the first stitch. Mark it. This is your first increase. 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then you're going to increase around normally. The third increase, this is round 2, make single crochet increase around, and at the end of this round you should have total of 12 single crochet. But this is the last stitch here. You're going to stop right here before you finish the single crochet. Change the color to yellow to finish your single crochet at the last stitch, and let go the hook. Insert from the back to the first stitch like this, and then pick up the yellow and pull through the first stitch like this. And now you can go ahead to work on your round 3. And in round 3 we're going to make 1 single crochet and increase. And now insert to the same stitch, 1 single crochet. Let's mark it and make an increase in the next one. 1 single crochet, increase the next one. You can go ahead and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Repeat the pattern, 1 single crochet and increase. Okay, this is the last one, 1 single crochet and increase. Okay. After you finish off the very last stitch, you can let go your hook and insert from the back to the front to the first stitch of this round. This. It can be a little bit tight, so you can kind of stretch it a bit to make it loose. Then pick up the loop you just let go, pull through the first stitch of this round. We are going to make 2 single crochet increase in round 4. So insert to the same stitch, mark this one, 2 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase. Okay, and at this point we're going to change color to green, so before you finish off your last single crochet, you stop right here change it to green to finish off your last single crochet, like this. You let go again, insert a hook from the back to the front at the first stitch of this round. You have to remove your stitch marker. This, loosen up a bit. Pull through the green. And then we are going to make 3 single crochet increase in round 5. So insert it back to the same stitch. This is your first stitch. 2, 3, increase. 1, 2, 3, increase. In the next round, we are still working on green, so here you can just go ahead to finish off the last stitch by using green. Okay, same thing. Remove your stitch marker. Insert a hook back to the first stitch of this round from the back to the front. Grab the loop from the last stitch of the single crochet. Pull through the stitch. Okay, and at this round, we're going to make a single crochet around. Okay, now I'm at the very last stitch and I'm going to change it to yellow again. So I'll change to yellow to finish off my last single crochet. Here you go. As you can see here, it's almost seamless. It gives you this very nice and neat color change. You cannot see where you change the color. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the ball and show you the final results. Okay, as you can see here, this is the result of the Jogless invisible color change on my amigurumi. By using this method, you can create that perfect stripe on your amigurumi. You can still see a line right here, but it's almost invisible. I also make a Pokemon ball by using this Jogless invisible color changing, and it's perfect that you cannot see where I change the color. If I don't mark the mark right here, you probably wouldn't see it. But the way I make this Pokeball is a little bit different than this one, because in this one we change it every row by using the Jogless invisible color change. But this, I only use a method 1 row before I change the color. For example, I am going to change from red to black right here. So I will do that invisible color change 1 row before, just to give it a better connection. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I use that Jogless invisible color change, and then I crochet normally from this row down. And it turned out really good that you cannot see where I change the color. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. You're very welcome to check out my YouTube channel for more amigurumi for beginners crochet 101.